This is a maitake mushroom, one of my favorite mushrooms. Now these have like a really nice earthy, meaty flavor, and they just smell delicious already. Now what I'm gonna do with this today is I'm gonna roast it off, and then I'll just toss it with just a quick little relish I'm gonna make with some shallots, vinegar, oil, stuff like that. So basically a quick little pickle. Now, if you're new to brunoise these, you basically just like an onion. You take it in half, same thing, brunoise like an onion. So let me show you that right here, real quick. One way I like to cut my shallots, if you have a knife that doesn't have a heel, you could just go straight down. So let me show you that real quick. So it's usually with Asian knives or custom knives nowadays. So you could just take it from the back and then just go straight down. And that's one of my favorite ways to cut the shallot. Szechuan peppercorn. So Szechuan peppercorn, it basically gives you like that tingle in your tongue. It's a different kind of spicy. I really like this. Just be mindful, this stuff can make your tongue pretty like numb and tingly. A lot of people don't really care for that sensation. I really like it, so to each his own. So I'm just gonna add some of this Szechuan into my pickling. So what I'm adding here is rice wine vinegar. This is one of my favorite vinegars for pickling. It's not too strong, not too acidic. It's got like a nice sweetness to it. So I'm gonna do that, and then some sesame oil. Now here's our pickling liquid. Maple Szechuan pickling liquid. Now something that you should always do before you add this to your mushrooms or anything that you're pickling is taste the pickling liquid. You don't want it to not be salty enough or maybe be too salty and you ruin whatever it is. So just give it a quick taste. Touch more salt in there. Obviously, if this is just for yourself, you can use the same spoon. There we go, just fill it up to cover. Pickled mushrooms. These are really delicious. Now, what would you do with this? Use it as a garnish. You know, this would be great like on a burger instead of pickles. Like, you know, regular pickles. Put on a burger, put on a steak, whatever. So we used to do mushrooms like on different soup dishes, like squash and stuff like that. But yeah, just put it on whatever you want, honestly. This stuff is really, really good. You could try it out with different vinegars. Try it with maybe apple cider instead of rice, whatever you want. Go ahead and let me know what you think. So good, my favorite mushrooms.